Friends, subscribe my channel and turn on the bell icon so you're not gonna miss any upcoming effective simple home remedies.
Hello my friends, it's Angie World. Welcome to my channel. Friends, in that video I'm going to show you anti-aging cloves cream that will get you rid of sagging skin, wrinkles and fine lines naturally. From first use you will notice an instant result. With this magical remedy, it works and it gives an amazing result if you do have sagging skin or you want to get tight skin naturally. Even if you are over 60 years old, this will work for you 100%. All you need to do is prepare it, apply it at night before you sleep, and see the magic. In the morning you will notice that the wrinkles are vanishing literally, and you're getting rid of fine lines and deep wrinkles without any side effects, with all natural ingredients. But before we start out, my friends, it's a request. If it's the first time you see my video and the first time you see my channel, then quickly hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. That way every time I upload new remedy, you'll be notified to watch it, and you will get so many beauty tips from me, so make sure to subscribe. The first ingredient we need is around 2 teaspoons of cloves, and here is the cloves. I have the cloves as it is, as you can tell. Place it in a clean mixing bowl, and we need to add on it hot boiling water. Add around 20 ml of hot boiling water. So 2 teaspoons and 20 ml of hot boiling water. Leave it to soak in a clean mixing bowl. Strain the ingredients. Strain the cloves like so. And add on it 1 teaspoon of cornstarch. And keep mixing. Like so, my friends. As you can tell, because the water is hot, we don't need any clumps in this or any chunks. As you can tell, it's all creamy. Now we need to add on it a magical ingredient, which is 1 small teaspoon of olive oil. Nourishes the skin naturally and will get you an amazing results overnight. Mix it very well like so. And place it in a container. Now my friends, how to use it before you sleep at night. Apply it like so on your skin and massage the skin with it for 5 minutes until your skin absorb all the ingredients. Leave it on your skin and go to sleep. In the next morning you'll be amazed with the result. It literally will get you rid of sagging skin naturally, and it fills the deep wrinkles and the fine lines.
So that was it, guys, today. Thank you for watching. I hope the video will help you, and if you like the video, please subscribe for more content. I'm trying to upload for you very cool beauty ideas, and also like those. That will help me a lot, and I'll see you in my next video. I love you.